Have a look at this IP address. What do you know about this IP address? And how many IP are available for a network that has this IP range? And you might want to save this video for your next interview and make sure you listen attentively and understand how I'm going to explain it. First of all, this IP address belongs to the private IP CIDR range. It has a subnet mask of /24, which means that the first 3 octets are for the network. Remember that your IP address can be broken down into bits. We have 8 bits, and those 8 bits makes up 1 octet. The second 8-bit makes up the second octet, and the third one makes up the third octet. And in this case, we have 24, which means that 8 times 3 gives you 24. The first 3 octets are for the network, which means that the last octet is the one that is available for that network. Let's bring this home to the IP address. Let's look at the IP address. In the IP address, we have 10.186.5.4/24. Now, if you compare this to what we've just said, it means that 10.186.5 is for the network. It means that you cannot have any IP address on those particular octets. You can only have the available IP on the last one, which is the one that has 4. Based on that, we cannot deduce that the first IP address for that particular network is 10.186.5.0 because the first 24 is for the network. So how many IP addresses do we have in total? We have 24, right? /24. Now, if you subtract 24 from 32, you're going to have 8. So the available IP address for that network is 2⁻⁸, which is going to give you 256. Now, 256 is the total IP available for that particular network. However, not all IP are allocatable. Now, the first IP address for that particular network, 10.186.5.0, that first IP address is not allocatable. That is the network IP. And also, the last one, which is 10.186.5.255, it is for the broadcast network. Now, a broadcast is an IP that you can use to talk to all devices on that network. That means that in total, we have 256 IP address, but we have 254 allocatable IP address. If you are using this IP address for VPC subnet, it kind of